Hey everybody, Happy New Year. Scott Golightly, estate planning attorney here in Richmond's West End. I had a call with a prospective client last week that really struck a chord with me about what can happen when you haven't taken the time to do any estate planning. Prospective client, wife lost her husband in May, had no will. The husband apparently had adopted a son when he was involved in a prior marriage, and the son's been estranged from their relationship for many years. Well, husband did not have a will. And guess what? Husband owned the house in his own name and the vehicles that the wife is currently driving in his own name. And perhaps not to anybody watching this video's surprise, the bank and DMV won't speak with her because she is not on the account. So somebody needs to take charge and qualify as the administrator. And when I talked to the prospective client about this, I was like, well, you've got to go qualify as the administrator, but here's the downside. Because he had an adopted son from a prior marriage, under Virginia law, she's only entitled to 1/3 of the probate assets that were in her late husband's name. That's right, 1/3. Guess who gets 2/3? The son, the adopted son that's been estranged. So that kind of begs the question, right? Does she want to go qualify and take on all that responsibility and potentially liability as the administrator of an estate where she only stands to gain 1/3 of the estate, and the son, who's been out of the picture, gets 2/3? Probably not. So, okay, well, is she going to be able to stay in the house? The mortgage company won't speak with her because she won't qualify. So she's in a tough spot, and a lot of this could have been avoided had the family taken some time to do some planning up front. So don't mean to start the year with a downer message, but it is kind of a call to action, right? Particularly if there's kids from a prior marriage, you've really got to get your estate planning in order, or things probably aren't going to be what you expect or what you need. So thanks for watching. Again, Happy New Year to everybody, and I hope all have a prosperous and happy 2018.